I speak English a little bit only.
But it's okay. I want to talk with you only.
Yes,
Yeah.
I love Madrid.
What do
And
you recommend to visit?
yeah, I will recommend you about the must-try food, the beautiful places,
Have study for
the local people in Nimi City, and also the traditional
Do you like
festival.
soccer? Like me?
How many places have you visit in Vietnam?
Vietnam, stay in Ho Chi Minh and Hoi An.
Can I take a
We
photo with
visit
you?
yesterday we visit Chonburi.
And Phong Nha.
Phong Nha.
The caves of
The
Phong Nha.
caves of Phong Nha.
And how do you
And
Cô nở.
how do you think about them?
Can I take photo with
we like so much, and the people is very.
And do you want to visit other beautiful places?
Yes, we visit the Katba Island, the Sapa.
I can recommend you about the other beautiful places like Baidin Pagoda, Thai Vi Temple, and Chang'an Scenic Landscape Complex.
Oh,
And of course, these places are famous for their beauty.
thank you.
And did you try any specialty food in Nimi City?
Yeah.